Mayo Garden Center's spring plans have taken a minor turn. They brought out the snow shovels today, the ones they haven't been able to sell in about 5 years. But the big news is on the sign out front. They have sleds. They're just not able to hang on to them. The manager ran out by mid-morning. It's obvious that not everyone in East Tennessee is terrified of a snowstorm. You're not worried about the snow?
No, we'll just stay home and have fun.
Where are you from?
Wisconsin.
I figured. For places like Mayo, snow makes for some good business, and they just love to sell those sleds.
Around here, we don't get snow for every 4 or 5 years, so put it away, probably lose it. Next time it snows, I'll be back.
Passing the state highway department, we saw what looked like a man spraying for bugs. Well, we found out that it wasn't bug killer he was spraying. What does it do?
It keeps ice and snow from sticking. You know, when it'll fall off of them when you hit them.
Why don't you just spray it on the roads?
Well, it don't say it wouldn't work on the roads. They're good.
Meanwhile, people were stopping off at area stores, stocking up on the staples of life. At Kroger in Fountain City, everything was going fast. Lines were predictably long. It was not the place to be for someone in a hurry. But people found ways to occupy their time, either by reading or eating. Employees were working fast and furious, trying to keep up. Even the manager pitched in and bagged some groceries. But then again, so did the customers. It was one of those everybody pitch in times. People just didn't seem to mind. Everyone was in good humor.
If that prediction don't come true, you better hide.
Well, most everyone. Ken Schwall, Action 10 News.